Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you the plants here in my mini garden. Okay, I have been planting for just a year. Okay, and then these are all the plants that I have planted for a year. Okay, so one by one I'm gonna share you the plants that I have here. I have here calabasa. This one I used to raise the seedlings, but I will not plant this. I will just make this as a, what we call this, biodegradable. Okay, we'll be pulling out this seeds in order to make this minerals. Okay, pataba ba, fertilizers. Okay, and then this is the calamansi, the melon, my melon plant. Okay, my melon plant, my pineapple plant. I used to plant because I love recycling plastics. Okay, that's why I started making plant. Okay, this is the lemon. Okay, this is calamansi, and look, we have a melon here. Okay, very cute. This is like a Chinese plant, I think. This just grows up because I just buried these stems into the soil, and then after how many months it already grows up. Okay, so I have a lot here of this is ampalaya. Okay, look, it's about to bear fruits. Kalabasa. Okay, we're just trying to plant here because we want to purify the air at the same time. Okay, this is one of my favorite plant. I just bought this for 100 pesos then. Okay, and this one also, look, here is my sayote plant. Okay, as you can see, it already grows up a sayote plant. Okay, and then still I never lose a heart in planting tomato. I hope one day I could harvest more beautiful tomatoes. Okay, these are my sabila. I just don't time yet to repot this because they are growing up. Look, this one I do not know what plant is this. This just grows up in the soil. I don't know where did that come from. Okay, and look at the ampalaya, guys. I'm gonna show you the ampalaya is already a fruit. This one, it already bears fruit, and then I tried to put plastic. Okay, so that the pest will not harm the fruit. Kasi one time, I'm gonna show you, the fruit is being harmed by the pest. Look. Okay, so these are the fruit bearing plants that I have planted. The ginger melons are growing up. Yan, oregano. The pepper, they grown up now. The melon, this serves as my seedling beds. Yan, okay. The sayote, I wish the sayote will bear fruits, but this is harmed by pests. Ayan, look, there are pests already. And these are my ornamental and medicinal plants. This is the angel plant. I repotted I used to plant angel plant. Okay, this is citrus plant, calamansi. This was being harmed by worm last time. The caterpillar, diba? The caterpillar. Yan, they eat the leaves. It's being pested by the caterpillar. Yan, look. These are the plants that is being brought by my spouse on my birthday. Okay, my birthday is 2021. I used to repot this. I bought pots. Okay, and look at my oregano, guys. So tall, right? Look, my oregano. Look. So these are the updates in my garden. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you would love to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, bye-bye.